How to get a refund for Cash App payment. In this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to get a refund for Cash App payment. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, as shown here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to manage and get access to different areas of the app. From there, go to the bottom menu and make sure you tap on the activity option. It is this icon here. On this page, look for the specific transaction you want to get the refund for and tap on it. From there, go to the transaction details and under the section, look for an option named Transaction Number. Make sure you copy this number because we will need it later. After doing that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile page of Cash App. On this page, there are various options and sections that can take you to different areas of the account. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Come to the bottom of the page. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Support. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. On this page, there are options that you can use to get solutions to issues or problems you face on the app. From them, tap this one named Payments. You will land on this other page where there are more options that are related to payments. From them, tap here, Report an Issue. On this page, Cash App provides options for resolving payment issues. Make sure that, from the two options shown here, you tap Report an Issue. This option lets you submit details about the problem and contact Cash App support for assistance. On this page, Cash App is asking which transaction you would like to report. Select the transaction that is related to your issue so you can provide more details and continue with the reporting process. Finally, you will land on this chat box where you are supposed to explain to the support the issue you are facing. You can also paste the transaction number that you had copied earlier. Send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to get a refund for Cash App payment.